My name is Alan EINGOLD. I am the president of Over the Top Rental Linens. We are a linen-only rental company. We only do soft goods. I believe that being in the party rental business and the linen business is not just party rentals, but I'm in the fashion industry. There were just problems as the machines aged and we started to get busier and busier, and I couldn't keep up. I used to press from 8 in the morning until 9 at night. At the Clean Show in 2015, we knew that we needed to buy new ironers. We had heard about Lapauw and went looking at all the people on the Clean Show floor that had ironers. The people at Lapauw seemed very interested in us, understood what we were doing, and had a follow-up plan. We left the show very interested. I decided that if I was going to spend that kind of money, I had to go to Belgium to see the ironer. And once we were there, we were very impressed with the facility. We went to see a few laundries. We saw the way that Lapauw manufactures, the precision to which the ironer would be manufactured, and decided to buy our first one. We were getting so much more production out of the first ironer, and then the Lapauw ironer was running circles around the 3 other presses I had with 4, 8, 10 or 11 people. And this with 6 was running circles in production and quality and ease of operation. The pressers love it so much more. They're not right up against the metal heat. It comes out, it has 6 feet or 5 feet of space for it to cool down a little bit and grab it. They can look at the cloth as it lays on the table. They're happier. The morale is happier. That's a big thing. The quality of the item is so much better. It only has to go through one time. Yeah, then we decided to buy a second Lapauw. I'm like, oh my God, what am I, crazy? But I'm in the linen rental business and I have to have a quality ironer. That's it. I find Lapauw very flexible. I do 132-inch rounds down to 5x5 cocktail napkins. I do cushion covers. And I was afraid with the strings, and let's try it, I said. And we do them, and they come out beautiful. The Lapauw is wide enough that I can have 3 or 4 people feeding and 4 or 5 people receiving, because it takes longer to receive than it does to feed if I properly stage the feeding. The Lapauw ironers have made my life so much easier. It has been a game changer, and I'm just beginning to see it now because the second Lapauw ironer was installed in August, and we got into our season in October, November, and so now at the height of our season, we still can't wash enough. We wash from 6 in the morning till 9 at night, and I could have 5 horses full of tablecloths ready to go, and they just go through them. The storage area in the warehouse is really having problems because they've never had this much clean inventory. But it's a good problem. We're in the height of our season and there's no stress or chaos around the company. And I believe it's because of the Lapauw ironers, because it all starts at the beginning. No, I'm really very, very happy with the investments that I've made. And I really look for some major savings. Check back with me next January and I'll tell you how we did.